hidden in the wild, is a fascinating world we rarely get to see. The Mustelids, nature's ultimate evolutionary masterpiece. Today, we're going to explore who they are, how they live, and what makes this unique animal family so incredibly special. Among the countless wonders of the natural world, there exists a family of carnivorous mammals, known for their extraordinary survival instincts and remarkable adaptability. That family is Mustelidae, better known as the Weasel family. Far from the simple image most people have of a weasel, this is actually a massive family, filled with astonishing diversity and incredible complexity. The Mustelidae family represents one of the most successful, most diverse, and most highly adaptable groups of carnivores on our planet. They're found everywhere, from dense ancient forests and snow-covered mountain peaks to rushing rivers and even the open ocean. Each member of this family is a true masterpiece of evolution, clever, agile, and remarkably skilled at mastering whatever environment they call home. The Mustelidae family includes roughly 57 different species, spread across nearly every continent, except Australia and Antarctica. This incredible diversity reflects their extraordinary ability to adapt to just about any environment, from humid tropical rainforests and scorching deserts to windswept highlands and the frigid open ocean. You can find traces of Mustelidae just about everywhere. Their size range is just as impressive, from the world's smallest mustelid, the Least Weasel, Mustela nivalis, which weighs only a few dozen grams and measures under 20 centimeters long, all the way up to the hefty Asian badger, Meles leucorus, which can weigh as much as 30 kilograms. When most people picture a weasel, they imagine a slim, agile little creature with a long, slender body, short legs, but incredible agility, paired with a sleek, dense coat. That's the signature look of the Mustelidae subfamily, which includes weasels, stoats, and ferrets. They're natural-born athletes, able to twist and slip through the tiniest gaps with astonishing speed. Their fur isn't just stunning to look at, it's a true masterpiece of nature. It's perfectly engineered to blend seamlessly into whatever environment they call home, from earthy browns that let them melt into soil, rocks, and forest underbrush, to the pure, snow-white coats of species living in frigid Arctic regions, like the stoat, Mustela erminea, in winter. It's not just a coat, it's a clever survival strategy that helps them evade predators and sneak up on their prey with ease. From an ecological standpoint, the Mustelidae family ranks among the most efficient predators in the wild. Despite their modest size, they're perfectly built hunting machines, equipped with razor-sharp instincts and highly tuned senses. From their incredible sense of smell and sharp hearing to their keen, low-light vision, every sense is fine-tuned for the hunt. Their diet is made up mostly of fresh meat, small rodents, birds, eggs, insects, and even snakes. For otter species, fish make up a major part of their diet. Their hunting skills are nothing short of astonishing. With their slim, flexible bodies, they can slip into the tiniest burrows and chase down prey without ever letting up. Speed, agility, and the element of surprise are the Mustelid family's greatest weapons. They strike in an instant, using razor-sharp teeth perfectly designed for tearing into flesh, along with powerful claws that let them bring prey down fast. A single, well-placed bite to the neck is often all it takes to end the hunt. What's even more impressive is that many mustelids show surprising intelligence by storing extra food, stashing it away in their dens for the leaner days ahead. This is clear proof that their ability to plan ahead goes far beyond what we usually expect from such a small animal. Most members of the Mustelidae family live solitary lives and are primarily active at night. This not only helps them avoid larger daytime predators like raptors and wolves, but it also allows them to use the cover of darkness to ambush their prey without ever being detected. Weasels are territorial animals, marking their boundaries with strong scent signals from their special musk glands. Tease a surprisingly sophisticated form of communication, one that lets them signal their presence, avoid unnecessary conflicts, and even attract potential mates. When threatened, they can spray a foul-smelling liquid to drive predators away. Their reproductive habits are incredibly diverse as well, and full of fascinating quirks. One of the most remarkable is their ability to delay pregnancy, a phenomenon known as delayed implantation. It's an incredible adaptation that allows them to mate at one time of year, but delay the embryo's development until conditions are just right. This process only resumes when the environment is at its most favorable, typically when food is plentiful, and the chances of survival for the newborns are highest. For example, an ermine may mate in the summer, but the embryo won't begin developing until the following spring, after a long winter of dormancy. This allows them to control the timing of birth, giving their young the best possible chance of survival. Their role in the ecosystem is absolutely vital and impossible to overlook. They're an essential link in the food chain, helping keep rodent and insect populations in check with remarkable efficiency. Their presence helps maintain the natural balance, preventing pest populations from exploding, something that could lead to serious consequences for agriculture and even human health. A good example is the skunk, which eats huge numbers of crop-damaging insects. Otters help keep river and marine ecosystems healthy by eating sick or weak fish, and even sea urchins, which in turn protects vital kelp forests. They're not just predators, they're guardians of nature's balance. However, the survival of the Mustelidae family is now threatened by a number of serious challenges. Habitat loss has become an urgent issue due to rapid urbanization and expanding agricultural land. Deforestation and the conversion of grasslands into farmland have stripped them of their shelter, their food sources, and the space they need to survive. Illegal hunting for their fur has also pushed many species to the brink of extinction, as mustelid pelts are still highly valued on the black market. Traffic collisions, especially in areas with heavy vehicle density, have become another serious threat, as these animals often cross roads and are highly vulnerable. In addition, mustelids are also threatened by environmental pollution, pesticides, and the growing impacts of climate change. All of these factors have pushed many mustelid species onto conservation watch lists, as their populations have declined at an alarming rate. A prime example is the black-footed ferret, Mustela nigripes, in North America, a species once believed to be extinct. Thanks to relentless conservation efforts, including captive breeding programs and strategic reintroductions into the wild, this species has been slowly making a comeback. Even though people sometimes view mustelids with suspicion because they may prey on poultry or cause the occasional nuisance, scientific evidence shows that the Mustelidae family is an essential part of Earth's complex ecological tapestry. They're not our enemies, they're vital keepers of nature's balance. Gaining a deeper understanding of them not only helps us appreciate the astonishing diversity of the natural world, but also fuels the urgent conservation efforts needed to ensure mustelids can continue to survive and thrive in the future, so future generations can continue to witness the cunning, the agility, and the wild beauty of these remarkable creatures. The Mustelidae family, small, elusive, and often overlooked, is still a true gem in nature's crown. Protecting them isn't just about saving a single species, it's about protecting an entire ecosystem, preserving biodiversity, and safeguarding our own future. We need to take action today, even through the smallest steps, so these silent hunters and hidden heroes can continue writing their remarkable story of survival.